Welcome to Galaxy Technology Foundation. My name is Ramjuna Adra, and today I'm here to make a presentation of physics, practicals, and experiments. Science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Science is a method of obtaining knowledge through observation and experimentation. There are two major classifications of science: natural science, which focuses on phenomena, and social science, which focuses on human behavior and societies. The three major classifications of natural science are biology, physics, and chemistry. Biology is the study of the characteristics, classification, and behavior of organisms, as well as how species were formed and their ecology. Chemistry is the study of the composition of matter. Chemistry connects all the natural sciences together. Physics is the study of the fundamental constituents of the universe, the forces and the results produced by these interactions. Physics is then the fundamental science, as all other natural sciences obey the laws of physics. The word physics comes from the word physique, meaning knowledge of nature. Branches of physics include mechanics, heat and light, radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, and the structure of atoms. Throughout the course of history, we've seen lots of experiments, and usually in the aspects of physics. These experiments help in the demonstration of important scientific principles. They also provide us with the knowledge of the physical world. Examples of these experiments are the making of a pinhole camera and also Newton's decomposition of sunlight with a prism. In view of this, we can say that even though experiments most at times come with a cost, they serve as a stepping stone for the advancement of us humans. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.